always say life is like a box of sequels. You never know what you're gonna get.
Oh man, okay. Hey, where's Uncle Fester, huh? Yeah, hey, wait a minute. That's the Munsters house. You guys said I was auditioning for the Addams Family remake. Get my agent. This sucks.
Hello, Neo. Agent Smith, I'd like to share a revelation that I've had during my time here. It came to me when I tried to classify your species. I realized that you're not actually mammals. Every mammal on this planet instinctively develops a natural equilibrium with the surrounding environment. I don't get it. You move to an area and multiply until every natural resource is consumed. The only way you can survive is to spread to another area. There is another organism on this planet that follows the same pattern, a virus. Human beings are a disease, a cancer of this planet. You are a plague, and we are the cure. But you're a pig. Oh, man, I shouldn't have taken that pill. That's right, Neo. You should have taken the other pill. Look. Come on.
I see dead people.
Hello?
Hey, Rod, Jerry Maguire here.
Jerry Maguire! What's going on? So, you gonna show me the money?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'll show you the money, buddy.
$5 million next year to play for the Arizona Cardinals.
Yeah, that's right.
You wanna show me the money. Come on, Jerry. Oh, what do you say? Come on, show me the money. Come on, show me the money. Show me the money.
Show you the money. Show you the money. Show you the money.
Show me the money. Oh, yeah, show me the money, Jerry. Hey, did you know that a human being's head is more than 5,000 pounds?
You don't say. Really?
Did you know that a dog eats more food in one day than a little boy eats all night?
I did not know that. No, I didn't know that at all.
Come on, Jerry. You know you want to show me the money. Show me the money. Whew. Well, so what do you say?
Rod, you had me at hello.
You know what? This better earn me another Oscar.
Yeah. Okay. Woo!
Pharaoh of Egypt, you have not yet obeyed the Lord. Thus saith the God of Israel, let my people go!
So there you are, my little buddy. I found you. That's right. So now what I have to do is get my head wrapped around the head of a vomit. I have to think like they do. I have to move like they do. I have to get into the skin of a vomit too. Yes. And as soon as I do, then they'll be mine.
I am the servant of the secret fire, yielder of the flame of Ranor. Go back to the shadows. You shall not pass!
Dude, man, what are you talking about? I'm just trying to get to the bathroom, man.
Well, I'll be darned. All right, go ahead then. Sorry about that.
Forget you, man.
Yeah, sorry about that, man. Have a good day. All right.
Get your paws off me, you damn dirty ape.
Oh, buddy, I'm a bear, not an ape. And, I ain't gonna touch you cause you probably got the swine flu.
I don't have the swine flu.
Oh, I don't know about that. You're probably lying. Most pigs do when they get the swine flu.
Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Oh.
Yep, that's okay. Don't worry, just hang out there, hang out, relax, because we're gonna have a luau. Luau, luau. We're gonna eat the pig, eat the pig, eat the pig. Luau, luau, eat the pig.
Sequel, this has been Force I sense is strong. Jedi you shall be. Grover I sound like. The end I sense is near. Fading to black I am.